This is my hair after severe damage caused by long exposure to chlorinated and salted waters.
Your hair's so dry, it feels like a bird's nest.
This is coconut oil, considered one of the most powerful hair rehabilitators for over 4,000 years. I'm gonna use it on my hair for 1 week to see if it can bring it back to life.
What the heck just happened to my hair?
To begin, let's detangle our hair to make application easier and avoid further damage.
So the way you would want to apply this is from scalp all the way down to the tips. I'm a little concerned about coconut oil clogging my scalp, so I'm applying it about 3 inches below the scalp. You can apply this coconut oil with an applicator or like me with my hands. Do you kiss your hair too?
Because removing this oil requires shampooing, do not apply it daily.
Shampooing our hair daily may cause severe hair damage. Instead, experts advise us to apply these kinds of oil hair masks maximum 3 times per week, and that's what I'll do. This is it, I'm done. I'm going overnight with it, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Good morning, welcome. You know that the issue of using oils on your hair is removing it. You probably need shampooing, and not just once, but a couple of times, which is just not great for your hair. I did a little research and found Erica Sager, and she has this hack where most of the times she removes the oil entirely with just a single shampooing session. So I'm obviously gonna test it.
Erica's hack consists of applying any conditioner you don't mind using a lot of before washing your hair. Spread it well all over from top to bottom. Once you're done, fully rinse off the conditioner. Follow it up with shampoo, and if you want, you can add more conditioner at the end, just like you normally would.
Erica's hack wasn't perfect, but it actually helped a lot. You can notice some oily spots, especially if you go deeper, but in the areas where I really put on the conditioner, my hair is clean. I honestly don't think I gave Erica's hack a fair chance. I think I was a little too cheap with the conditioner. So yeah, I gotta try this again. On the other side of the story, well, look at my hair. I am able to see an increase in shine. What do you think? Oh, it's feeling like hair again and not like a rope, which is so amazing. Today we are doing this for the second time. Smells like heaven. Seagulls. I'm testing a different application approach. I'm gonna try to use the same amount of coconut oil I used before, but I'm gonna pour it into this bigger bowl. So my lazy technique consists of dipping my hair and squeeze some of what the tips have on top of the other hair, and you have to be very gentle. This is easily 10 times faster than applying it by hand or applicator. I'm not noticing as much hair shedding as I did with my by hand application. There's 2 little hair strands in there. Hi, Carlos. You're gonna put a little bit of oil. Put some, come here. In today's episode of Hair Rehab, my client wants to rehabilitate his curls. Woohoo, you're done. You gonna drink it? Yikes, done.
He's gonna use coconut oil the same way I'm using it, and we'll get back to his curls later. I'm testing Erica's hack again, but this time I'm dividing my hair in smaller sections and applying a good amount of conditioner, not being cheap anymore. Let's hope it works this time.
Erica's hack worked. Hair strands are clean anywhere. There is no oil, which is amazing because I shampoo my hair once. You realize how much damage we're saving our hair from. Thank you, Erica. You saved the day for how many of us? I don't know how many is gonna watch this video. 3 people? 3 billion. Yes, Burr, preach, 3 billion. Now, in terms of coconut oil, my hair is so soft, and girl, it is silky. Coconut oil so far is the only ingredient that has helped me with frizz extremely, even though I live in a highly humid place. And it's humid every day, there's no breaks. And so I'm always walking around with this puffy, frizzy hair and coconut oil. It's just like, I don't know the meaning of frizz. I feel like easy breezy coconut girl. This brings us to a fun fact about coconut oil. Although coconut oil is great for most hair types, do you know that it could be really bad for yours?
That is if you have hair that is coarse, dry, and brittle.
Which is exactly my hair type.
Because these hair types usually have plenty of proteins in them. When coconut oil provides even more proteins, it can generate protein overload,
which makes your hair even more coarse, dry, and fragile. But that's not all. Coconut oil's ability to penetrate your hair and make it moisture resistant can block much needed moisture and nourishment from helping your hair, which makes it even drier, brittle, more fragile, just a mess.
In fact, the oil's moisture resistance is probably what's taking care of my frizz. But
even if coconut oil is able to help me during this experiment, it really wouldn't be a good idea to continue its use on long-term basis, because sooner or later the protein overload and the moisture resistance properties will catch up and cause chaos.
This fun fact was brought to you by our research department.
Today's the third application.
First, let me show you a before and after of my hair after being combed. Notice the massive difference in puffiness and frizz.
I just tamed my hair with a braid so that you and I can better see those changes in appearance. Oh, wow.
Even though my hair feels softer and it's flowy, by that third application, I noticed that my tips are beginning to look dry and brittle. And I'm assuming these are the signs of the beginning of protein overload. On the contrary, my husband's curls got more definition, much less frizz, and they are super, super soft, and I'm seriously jealous.
Coconut oil gets a good hair day stamp. Thank you so much for bringing this ingredient to my attention. If you haven't joined the tribe, subscribe today and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss future episodes like this one. Don't forget to try something healthy today, and I'll see you on the next one. Besos.